The girl confused. The girl confused.
14, guys.
Hey, girl. Don't open your mouth. Don't do it. Don't. Hyper.
One more rose, guys.
Nice day. Lock up the nice day. Lock up the nice day. Why? I feel it. Third term, that's right. Third term. Watch it, man. Watch it, puppy. Boy, them stress out. Them stress out. The girl, them stress out. Stress out. Stress out to come class. A better life, girl. A better life. Come. To the right. You need a better Jamaica. Bumper! Stop striker! Stop sniper! Taliban, you hurt me, you hurt me! You're gonna murder them! Murder them! Taliban, big up! Bumper, sexy witness! Chica, Rosa, Lati! Third term, man.
Guys, the 500 quiet game, you know, let me decide.
Where the queen? Hey, girl, don't talk. You're very nice.
Yeah, but uncommon. She have a.
Nice, come on.
Turn on the table. We can't mute her.
Daisy! Susie! Oi! Princess!
Hothead, listen, we're playing a game, it's 500 quiet game. So if she beat me just have to listen. When I beat her, she have to listen too.
Hello? You're not listening at all. Why you so dumb, man? Why you so dumb, sir?
Idiot girl, and she say he match done, huh?
And woman!
Guys, look, we cannot mute her. It's 500 quiet game. When me I win, she have a shut up. Fear. When me I win, me give her 7 games straight. Nice. Me give her 7 games straight and she have to keep quiet. So when she beat me, I have to keep quiet too. I just say, thanks everybody Diane and everybody thanks. So they help me quiet, they don't think about that. And no ambition, don't no go school, no way. You know, I'm not seeing fence and I see a piercing face at the end. I know they come in here about they want clean drain and a 10-year now and then just a clean drain because election time. Tell Andrew Stephen calling them. We are going to September to call the kind of choice, you know. Nah. Guys, 1 month we're gonna shut up the sting out girl here. Thank you. Tap up the screen, guys. I know my people them gone. Tap up the screen, guys, and shut her up.
Switch man, they say nothing not going on the dirty side. The people ever fed up on. Chatan, go over there.
My choice. No,
yeah. One. shop. Promote me, baby. Promote me. Promote me.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Sorry, I beg you, you know. Guys, I pay beg you, be quiet. I want to make sure I beg our Prime Minister to help stock our shop. Man, everybody, I am looking at assistance in stocking my shop. You see, you're suffer, girl. Ask Andrew to stock your shop. Where you have to stock your shop for? Guys, one Rosa.
Shut up.
Shut up, boy. You have to tell me shut up. One Rosa, guys, and catch his speed.
Girl.
Thank you.
Done.
3 times, guys. Guys, well, come on, man. Don't help me, man.
I want to go.
Actually, who bad man like Labour right there, man? Actually, I'm not talking.
Hey.
Triple.
Let us go for a better Jamaica. In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour.
Where for the girl? Lick sense in I'm Taliban. Don't see. Be bad man out I girl. Bumper! Whoa! Chapo! Go see anywhere you the big up, baby. The police are nice. This is an attack. Come on. One JLP suits. One JLP. One Alicia Shower.
Quiet game. She a beat me.
Hey. Look here. Retarded. Stop playing. Shower. Actually, shower. Stop telling people the money. People no say no at me. They no at me. Pick three. Love it. You know understand? You dumb. Woo! Hello, this is all the time come. One that pound of money. One bun. Work, fitness, chica, start work.
This is no ambitious girl. This is don't girl. Come on, guys, man. Share your live on top of the screen, man. So about when we did get sticker. Shut up, yeah.
Hola. Taliban, not out now. Madam, charge
55 people on the live. Tap the screen, please. Tap the screen. Nobody not had the money gun. Somebody can recharge $1 $10, $1 $20, $1 $30, $1 $40, $1 $50. Tap up the screen, guys.
That you say.
Finally, I can stack our shop, you know. Finally, I can stack our shop, you know.
That's free. people in hate her, you see. So,
you guys are 500 quiet here, man. 500 quiet here, man. Make the little sufferation get a stop in the eyes and my ears now. I'm going to make sure cuss me every game, man.
yeah,
But she not in her life, you know, and she done, you know.
yeah.
She have her shop and she a big help on TikTok for she can beg her MP and her council and her prime minister for help, but she come on TikTok and ask her for help to stock up shop. Girl go here because when PNP they put it in a power, your shop did stock. The shop did stock, but you yummy and no sense and no ambition and don't and can't read. Pass it on you. I'm pouring. Come guys, one rose I catch the speed. One rose I catch the speed. Rude boy, thank you. One rose I catch the speed.
Outside wait.
Mr. Rude boy, I pay so far girl so far. When PNP in a power start our shop did stock and well hotter. Hey girl, shut up your stinking mouth from the people them score. No, girl, walk around in your house, let me see you. Non-progressive, don't non-alive, stink mouth, shit in a plate, girl. And we are to take care of people them put up square, come and shut off your stinking hey girl, back, let me see you neck, let me see your shape bad self. Thank you, stop. Hey girl, go here, back up to my camera, man, with your stink mouth, bye, man. Where you're not a life, you're not an ambition. You really never go back for Andrew. Girl, me again the last chance me again. Crossover from now, you know. Crossover from blood clot now, you know. Because a piece of suffering should have take you. You're going one day for science the fire. Tell Andrew to call election because he have a blood clot choice. Andrew have a choice. Me I give him out until September. But girl, a long time I don't see people use lactrin toilet. I talk about you not suffering at them time, yeah. I still a shit in the outside toilet with a cockroach run up in your front. You go sit down.
Shit in a bag and throw it on you.
Shit in a bag and throw it on you, but you can't talk to you. One mark goal in pan up. Time come. Time come away, I say. Yeah, no ambition, labor right, girl.
She's in a bag.
Them hungry, touch them hungry. Yeah, Paddy never all stop. Thank you for the army. What she know about? Young but you know storm. One mark gold, you know. A long time, I don't see people use salt and brush their teeth. This a girl. I say just look at the girl show me in her shop and the soda them scatter up on the shelf. And me know so when PNP did in a power, the girl shop did stop. Me know so when PNP did in a power, Chin church push up the door, dog. Chin shop did stop. And from JLP winner. Chin don't have a case of turn down that table. See, Chin don't have a case of water on her shelf. Then she walk on and talk to me. She say I feel pretty ambitious girl upon PNP said. If I me like him a crowd over right now, say power. Say time come. Chin, dumb girl, say time come. Nobody want me a stink more. I don't want you not fire. I don't want you not fire with a stink nah be itself. Yeah, made you so food. Yeah, girl, them a man beating and talk about their love, you know. I same thing you gotta do. And when you suffer, you still. I go vote for JLP. Chin, come on, man. Chin, make me a reason. Me a friend. Make a reason. Chin, look on me now. You go vote for JLP. Chin, I say you love suffer. Chin, look on the zinc them in your back fence. A long time, I don't see them in the zinc there. Chin, go in your house. Let me see in your house. Thank you, Sammy. Chin, go in your house. Let me see in your house. When you're dumb gal. Dumb gal. Rude boy, stop Sammy, DJ, Santana, Kitty, Oni, thanks guys. A 500 silent game panel, progressive. Don't see gal. Guys, me ask you one question. Me ask you to go in the chat. Me ask you to there. I'm on to the answer me go there. In manner, we're stepping in a nurse woman head. Me see one picture with him and Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness friend, you know?
Picture with him and PNP, man. You can
picture with, shut up. On the side silent the girl for me now.
I can't tell him man over to Andrew as a celebrity, you know.
Silent the girl for me now, people. Let me get for talk now.
Why do you want to share with Andrew? I'm to your girl.
Let's see him with Andrew.
What is it?
They can, and them see when I talk about no violence against woman. Girl, go on with your dirty self. I know me not hear Andrew come out and say man wrong for stepping there. I want to give him a bad injection, you see. I know me not see Andrew come out and say man wrong for women doing no violence against women. But if I want a different case now, you don't see that shit come out. Tell himself it call election, girl. At that time done, suffering. You see when PNP with me not even look at you, not even when PNP with me not look your side because you're gonna suffer. I say you get the opportunity for come, she go take off the green. Everybody want judge you, make them judge you, go take off the green and come over here so before you lick you, before hard life, lick you worse than how it and lick you already. Yeah? Pull up your door table and China. Hear me, I want it. People, 66 people over here. Hear me, I want China. Gala. 500 silent game. A piece of sufferation upon your chin. Look how you did fat and look nice. By your party in a power, be a stress and problem. Boy, Chin, me feel sorry for you.
God, man.
Chin, me going to buy one case of water. Thank you. I'm going to buy a case of water and a case of Pepsi towards your shop. Because your shop empty. Chin, your shop empty.
Thank you.
Chin, me never tell you to shut up. I can't wait for people them to put up my 500 score, so I can't tell you to shut up your dirty, stinking, nana life self. Chin, you have bird paper?
Yeah.
Chin, shut up. How many people them money with their stink, dirty mouth? Chin, around put me people them money. Hold on, them. Guys, me play a music for the done girl, yeah? Let me play a music. Hey, prisoner, Miss Andrew Holness, that me know triple guys, Prisoner, Miss Andrew Holness. Prisoner, Miss Andrew Holness, me say. Well, hey, China, dirty stinking mouth, China. Chin, come out of the camera. Make the people them see a yard. Don't come in at the camera. China, back, make the people them see a yard now. They don't live nowhere. Chin, remember say at least land, you know. Remember say my grandfather, my grandmother, PNP make a way for them so me can't have land for live for now, you know. Chin remember say at least land and the landlord not stop come in your yard, come call out your name in a China. China talk about since JLP and power pay prosperity, I reach a China a liar. China, remember say you know, we did have the first woman prime minister, you know. We did have the and we said no violence against woman. Go and pay abuse of the pamphlet said a pay stool woman. Forward, Mark, going forward. Forward, Mark, going forward. Call it, Andrew, call it. Are we ready? Call it, Andrew, call it. No. Forward, Mark going forward. Forward, Mark going forward. One Westman and what them know about. One Westman and what they know about. One Mark going. Chin sufferation at take you. Chin sufferation at take you. Chin a shot brought down. Chin not now go on for you. Chin can get 100 fall and some bag of feed for razor. Chin can clean the drain with the side of your house. Be a mosquito and remember say then girl grown, you know. Chin can make it the MP for clean the drain with the side of you. Forward, Mark, going forward. Me say Andrew when Andrew pass and when Andrew in the year there Andrew walk past our shop. Andrew not stack our shop. Andrew walk past the shop, he not even stop there for buy a water. For sure you say enough for poor. Andrew is not for poor people. Andrew is not for poor people. Straight power, one Mark goal in time come, you have to call it. Make you not call it, no? Hungry belly chin, life sad here. Your life sad here. So wait time after. Wanna give me time for done and cuss out the nasty face girl. Cause I don't have no score up there. Where score there? Where score there? Where you about to put up time? What time I saw? And it's just on the dance and all a sense. You put up time and you have no money, huh?
The PNP, oi. The PNP then shot 2 man on the front.
Sammy, you get one gloves and one power up. Stop rude boy Sinclair. Big up on yourself. Thanks, sir.
They shot 2 man on the front. Yeah, my charger can't give me now. Yeah, 2 man on the front.
One Westmoreland. One bag of promise, Andrew here. Andrew raised minimum wage and then Andrew raised gas, yeah. Taxi fare raise and then minimum wage raise, then taxi fare raise. Andrew here to you know? Oh God, Andrew here to you freak. Oh God, man, Andrew here to you. The man here to you know?
Candy. Drop up on the double now.
They
500.
look over there, they don't have the money, eh?
500 dumb in myself. You have money.
They don't have the money over there, they broke them.
You have money.
You are all the man come over there go get and get the girl the whole like pension money. What she ever have for your grandpit and then I get and she not get paid till the end of next month again, huh?
God I got bless her.
She not get paid till the end of she said her couple give me say girl can't go buy some case I sit right now fish. Me happy for me girl, huh? Like if I Angie they wait for to do it. What they then tell her said them gonna give her one checker. She feel go down a part office, NIS office, them gonna give her one checker. One business check for stock up her shop. So when she go down the fee business check and then get her a check, all she try to change the check 2 weeks now the check can't change. Fraud.
Let go.
One more rose, fraud. Yes, you say man a thief and criminal. One more rose, guys. A 500 silent game. 500 shut up our stinking over there. I first me smell somebody more 3-4 now. Why sufferation I take any girl? Sufferation really I take any girl. I feel sorry for you for you. You feel sorry for you for you. 500 square, quiet puppy girl. Quiet her up. She dumb, oh God. She can't say nothing again. She hungry.
Where's that? Use the double. I can't do that, you know.
They don't have no money. Guys, shoot panny gloves. Thank you, Sammy. Guys, shoot. Yeah, shut up, you dirty thing. Hey, shut up, you don't like where you see any numbers. Lock off. The people them over here so say if you lock off. Lock off your dirty mouth. Nana life hungry belly, girl. Yeah, so she open her camera, she don't want to see her back now. Hey! Ah, we never say shut up! And stop money, hey girl, when you think a scam, stop scammer? Like a thief in Prime Minister. You see my PNP people them over here, they work hard for their money, you know, girl. So you see when my people them put on score, you shut up your dirty mouth for my people them score. Who you man? Where you come from? Thanks, yeah. Sufferation. Boy, you have a vote. Stop that Taven. Boy, you have a vote for Labour right again. Yeah, you're stupid or something. I'm there. From morning, me there. Yesterday, me come and me try little sense now. And the girl stubborn, the girl tough. Not even Jamal school can help you. Not even Jamal school can help you. Hey, me say when Andrew Holness, you know, he say. When Andrew Holness did say, he might go make we can sleep with the window with the open. I feel good because I say finally one prime minister that is for the people. Me bomb in a less than 2 months, I have to sleep with me and them open. Why open me have to sleep with me and them open? The man say I go make we can sleep with the door and window open and me have to sleep with my eye open. Me have to sleep open and he tell me say this I say no good girl, put on your finger. Put on your finger in a friggin' place. Hey girl, go in a man. Go in man, come out of the camera. Back. I can't take you. You can't take it, so go in man. Me can't stop here. Watch and see. Number say, you know, you have to call the election by September, and we are giving until September, because we're ready, you know. We're ready now. Guys, gonna put so orange chart in that chat. We're ready, man. Yeah, tell him to go over Chin. You know, have to mute him, you know. Mute him sounds 35. Make him go over Chin,
Road boss, police, Virgo queen.
You got a lot of money over there. You got a lot of money over there.
My side, don't listen to her. She no have no ambition.
They want, thank you, Sammy. One Sammy on the man. Sammy, Ryan, Sams, Chris, Robert.
Ready to Shelly Chapo, big up. Shelly Carmel.
Ambition. The girl done, sir. The girl done, sir. You know, so she have something on her phone or read out the comments to her because she cannot read.
Yes.
The thing, they read out the comments for her. She even got Jamal, and Jamal could help her. The girl done to you, man.
Labor rights.
Come on to the camera, let me see what you have on.
The screen, labor rights.
First, she never win it. She never win a game from she out here.
First,
guys, 500 coins and shut her up. She never win a game from Andre. Hey, people, don't trouble moderator, don't trouble Andre, make him stay. Him don't know where him know him awa. Him know him awa. Don't mute him, don't block him, make him stay.
First double.
Don't mute Andre, don't block Andre, moderator.
Manda.
Beautiful woman. She that pretty and true, she not beard. She pretty like she that beard, she that pretty than how she pretty.
That's true.
She that beard, she that prettier than how she pretty, but she not beard. She not know water, yeah. If you see the sufferation, I take her. If you stop, you never sleep when she disrespect me, CJ?
Mommy, yeah, cause me come like me a job.
You feel sorry for her? Right. Andre, you know. Guys, a 500 quiet game. Guys, we're gonna catch a triple and we're gonna quiet up the girl, yeah? You want baptize Andre, yeah? Andre don't know him a while, so allow Andre alone. Andre undecided. Andre don't know him a while, but me will deal with Andre. Moderators, me will deal with Andre. Trouble Andre. Make Andre go and comment when you want to comment. Guys, one more rose catches speed. 3 times. One more rose. One more rose. She not nobody over there. Andre, you don't know you are. You can't use. One more rose, guys.
Triple.
Guys, me not like how it takes so long to take you. Okay, so I'm certified. Andre, you're confused like Andre. We not pay Andre no man. Guys,
Empty shop,
guys.
Empty shop.
Quiet her up.
Triple, guys. Empty shop.
Hey, shut up, you dirty mouth past Sammy blood clot. But I think I sell Sammy pum for this. Sammy not sell, Sammy not scam, Sammy work hard for your money. Girl, go in a shop, me could see shop. Shut up your mouth past Sammy good money, bright and all manners. You know how money come out, girl? Girl, you know how money come out? You had full of bush and I say you had one cut. When I say you had one cut on the drain, man, clean. Go show them a latrine entirely. Go show them outside where you're shitting. All cockroach supposed to run up for you. Girl, me feel sorry for you. Girl, you get the opportunity right now to switch over before it's too late. People, hear me again. Girl, switch over before it's too late because Angela have to call the election by September and I have a choice. If afraid, you know. If afraid, guys. Guys, I'm free, you know. Girl, people them broke. One time upon the girl, people them broke. People them not sense. The girl shoot out her pension money and the money left. Oh God, the lady me feel sorry for the woman. Girls, Gina. Yeah, Michibo, she has somebody catch up and she go show them. They say so that them punish shelves. Cats you show them this show the rest of the shelf. People look there. Oh God. Why? Labor rights are selfish better than education. Oh God. Guys, wanna see how she's not there on here? She fall off, guys. Guys, she fall off. Oh God. Not the partial. And Jamaica see this, and this then called prosperity.
Whoa.
Guys, that then called prosperity, girl fall off. I know say when PNP in a power stock or shop it stock.
Whoa.
If you me, guys in the shoot from the gloves when PNP in a power shop it stock and from JLP win, not the pan shelf. Me tell us that they manipulate her, then get in her head. That then do, you know? Thank you, Sammy. One Sammy pan it up. Manipulate her, then get in her head. She now. Thank you, guys. Sammy, Sam 75, Robert Kitty, Auntie Candy, King Flames, Mitchie Stopper. Thank you.
Nice guy. Don't listen to the John Crow.
Hey. All right, that's it. They manipulate her. Yes, so she done. She not in a sense. All right, Miguel, later. Thank you for support. They manipulate her. She not in a sense. One Westmoreland thing. One Westmoreland.
They gonna shit the bush. They gonna
Sammy.
the
All
bush.
right, Miguel.
Double my side, Sammy.
It's a bush and we have it inside tiling, too.
Sammy.
Shit a bush and we have inside tiling, Miguel.
Midnight. Something up on the first double dumb him. That is it, my side. Run him down and gun him down. Tap the screen, tap the screen. Big up.
How much you want Pepsi? Girl, how much you want Pepsi? You know, you're not a cold one, you're not a fridge.
3 bills as are you.
You see, I told you to sell one Pepsi for. Kevin, go
Sure.
please.
Oi! Show them for your empty bar.
Girl, you seen my bar yesterday, my bar well stocked, girl. Remember say me no pay rent, you know. Remember say I
Show
no
them.
bar and at least me lease land, you know. Remember say I am a business owner, you know. What am I DJ?
Show them the board.
I'm a home owner and a business owner.
I don't even know where I'm going.
Why she want to sell me for 3 bills? Because she a thief. Yes, my baby. Team Power. One rose, guys. One rose catch your speed, guys. We can't make sure this track. I found that silent game. Thanks for. Why the girl want to sell me Pepsi for $300? Because the girl a thief. Guys, come on. I'm tired of her.
Double.
Hand hearts, finger hearts, money goes.
Double. Get a shit in a bag. Double.
No, nobody over there.
Oi, you all a more golden consistency. I be a board tile.
Hey, shut up your dirty mouth from the people them big money gun. You know no sense, girl. You see, say I know numbers. When you gonna go back to school, girl? When you gonna go back to school, that me want to know. Remember, say they have hearts and they have Jamal. Choose one. Heart and thank you for the heart. Thank you for the money gun. You have heart and you have Jamal. You now go back to school, girl. You go dance all the days of your life. Eh? All the days of your life. You watch your guys look on the back of the shop empty. And she go talk about she say labor right. Girl, you know no sense. You know no sense. Me sure know say at least one PNP that buy one crate of beer. But JLP in our house and our shop. Girl, you don't have no cold Pepsi in your shop because you don't have no fridge. No ambition, she don't have pepper. She don't have no cold Pepsi in her shop because she don't have no fridge. Pepper look here, the girl shop empty. And when PNP did a power shop, it stack. You say girl have no ambition. Don't girl. Thank you for the heart name. Five water, hot or cold. She don't have no water in there. Push up it out, Kevin. She don't have no water in there. She don't have nothing in the shop. Sell more tissue. I want money going there, have. Gas full up, yeah, go drink some tea, yeah. Gas full up, go drink some tea, go eat. No ambition, girl. The people them over there broke here. Shut up. Papa, because you come back, because Andrew Holness have to call the election. You have a choice. Ready? Forward, my going forward. Time come. We are sending back a Jamal. So you tell me say I want money going to people them have.
Shut up! Jesus Christ, girl, more think. Hey girl. Midnight, thank you. Hey girl, come here. You're not no manners. I'm gonna show you my fridge. Hey girl, come here.
What's that?
Hey girl.
DJ Paul, stop user lens for Chris. Thank you for the taps and everything. Huh?
Oh God. Midnight, you bust out. This year, think a freezer. Eh? Freezer there. Yes. Those size up. We can't run.
So guys, the PS soda she selling in her shop. She sell high Nicky and they sitting there and beer and red stripe and dragon and they sitting there. PS soda you sell? You have big JLP. PS soda you selling in your shop? No supper gen can there. The guys stop on the screen. No supper gen, nothing.
Front.
Guys, more fridge number 14.
Show me a fridge.
No supper gen, no
Show me a
RS,
fridge.
no Lucas here, nothing like that. Girl, my battery dead. I'm in one port at the house. We can't go in and shop right now. No JB, no white rum, no Campari, just PS soda. You sell the people them, sir. I saw and full up your head of dreams.
Sugar.
Green lizards, that girl, green lizards. The girl hungry. PS soda. Somebody, Mr. What day she come on TikTok and she make one good change. And she take it by half case of Pepsi. What you think?
Oh.
A prosperity that? Watch all the girl that can get 100 block and fence up your place good.
Oh, you're running water, look here. You're running water, girl.
Never say your neighbor, you connect the hose to your neighbor pipe.
Girl, it's my pipe, girl.
Remember say you connect your yard there. And yesterday when you did your yard, never that they are there.
Turn on your water. Thank you, Midnight. Midnight, dumb him from early. As we catch his speed, we dumb him. 2 rows and 2 different money.
Guys, 2 rows.
2 rows.
Guys, 133 if we go up in the ranking. Guys, 2 rows. I could dump the girl.
What is it?
I'm out. I got stink worse than how it's stinking now when I'm in bombardos.
Yang.
Guys, one money gun.
Oh, yang bike. Yo.
Pepper, you're alright, you know. 1 money gun, guys.
For me,
over yourself, Pepper. 1 money gun, guys. 1 money gun.
Dumb him from early.
1 hand heart.
Midnight, big up. Thank you very much.
Guys, I'm going to snap it. I'm going to shut her up from early.
Thank you, Flipper Dan. Boy, 50 pints from him. Yeah, check your froze head. You know, wash for a whole long time on the water.
Come, guys, come.
That's why I have shit in your back.
Guys, me have running water, girl, and me have tank on house. Be ambitious like me.
Hey, easy, radio, easy. Ease out, man. Ease out. Steady with the matic, man. Steady, steady. Steady. Why? You see my stomach. You see my stomach. Girl, you're insipid. You come like when butter melt out of pack. Hit a bush. That is it, midnight. I saw you deal with girl with an ambition. And pretty does, girl. You can like you take up some girl, they want to do a party. All the girl want to do a party. The bed where I sleep on and great granny bed. And that's like happy the PNP can granny place. You can't sit and live away. And put him out. They would have put him out. Go finally. Then tell him. Hey, don't midnight, the girl dead. I hear that are you fool, girl. No, man. Me talk about your money. Midnight, deal with her now. Deal with her, man. Yes. Fire. You get what you deserve, man. You feel that? That's how I deal with that, man. People are lick bad mind out of your nastiness. My side, I pour them one go. Pour them one go. From my side, be with the girl. I'm grateful. And Jonas making videos, Labour Party marching. You want this song, me done? Alright. Make us cheer up. Make us cheer up his son, oh. I'm cheering up his son, me done. Don't go away. Don't go away. Midnight, don't go away.
Guys, I 500 sorry. Thanks everybody. Leonard, Alexia, everybody, Marie, everybody. Lenford. Can't fear flipper that over there, not true. Can't fear flipper that over there.
My side.
I didn't see him one.
My side, I'm gonna give you what you want, my boy. Anything
Yes.
else you want me give you, my boy.
You shut her up for early, guys.
Shut up, who?
You could shut up a dirty labor right girl from early.
Like you're an idiot, you're a fool. People on top of the screen. You can't win a match. I see him like how you can't win an election. Here it is, my boss.
Guys,
My
make shut
boss,
her.
here it is, my general.
Jamaica! Let us vote for a better Jamaica!
Don't be proud now.
Let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party!
Coming from now. Money double.
Guys, a 500 quiet game and I can't find that her up for me, please.
Me and midnight.
Guys, I'm telling you this 500 quiet game. I get quiet and I get 500 squash. I have a lack of that time should I speak more practice. I tell you, you understand? Huh? Hey, girl, turn off the music now. Turn it off. Stick more dirty non-ambition, girl. Turn off the music. You can see people Psalms 35 for Andrew Holiness, Psalms 91 for Andrew Wicked Holiness. Shut up your dirty mouth. Thank you, Psalms 35. You can see good square come across. 2 rows, guys, 2 rows. 2 rows, me not confused. 2 rows sketchy speed. So she have people them over there and they will snap. 2 rows sketchy speed. 2 rows, guys. 1 more rose. Anybody else send me 1 more rose, please? Somebody has sent me one rose. Remember, so she have her people, them go snipe and quiet me. Alright. If like, big up yourself, your nice clean self. Guys, triple. Triple, guys, triple. The guys, she don't suffer, guys. Guys, she don't suffer under this government, you know. Guys, election have to call. I'm just afraid. I want to get prison here. I want the old fat get prison here. No weapon farm against my golden child pass Psalms 35 or Psalms 91 for my golden. Hey guys, I'm saying this. You see when I election, we have to be careful because Labour them love violence. Labour them are thief and criminal and they love violence. And they want to hurt the PNP them because they don't say them are lose. And guys, if you watch out your 4 year them because they will thief in ballot box them in a like way and do it last time. Guys, me could do now. Guys, me could do now. She not full time. You brought down the yeah, you hear full time. You brought down the outside. You have to go make them gear. So stone and cement. I say if they can build one concrete bathroom because the action bathroom now good for you.
Shut up. Don't want me a mouth. Your shop about my shop empty, but you wanna board. You wanna board, Prince, me get goods yesterday. Container come last night, boy. Board yourself, I have it. Hey, girl, don't want me a shit mouth. Hey, you can't talk. Yeah, snipe, guys, snipe. Don't make a switch pass. Don't make the girl pass. Tap the screen. Happy birthday, Prince! Me don't remember. Happy birthday, my boy. Wait till I end the live. Happy birthday! I'm coming over there.
Snipe now, guys.
Lord, it's sniper to Ross.
Live life, then get and live no life. Live life, then get and have no life under this government. Live life, then get and can't go hotel. Live life, then get and live no life, then get and even have the bathroom. Thank you to all of my supporters there, man. One PNP.
Me have my bed and me have two.
Guys, if they are foreign, please remember son of Jamaica, you know, fly down for vote because moderator, don't block Big Sean and don't mute him. My people, they make him say what you want to say. Top of the screen, guys.
You might start?
Yeah, you know see.
Make you stay about the Nancy.
Yeah, they are 21s for me tell if you beat me. Guys, not even good phone the girl not have. Guys, not even a good phone the girl not have.
Beat him inside.
So for you should not take her.
Beat him.
Sorry for the girl. I feel sorry for you. You don't deserve this, but you cause it by yourself.
Oh.
We are getting last chance we are getting now.
Hey girl, shut up.
Right. Pick up Sean, the last chance we are getting for switch over. Thank you for the ice cream and the GG, Sean. Last chance we are getting for switch over before it's too late.
Oi. Cease up my talking, please.
You don't have no score, you can't tell me if you're not talking.
You don't
have no score, you don't have nobody over there, so how you going to tell me if you're not talking?
Wash out your mouth, do.
Girl, guys, I mute her till she have score. Guys, 500, I'm quiet the dirty mouth, girl. 500 score, I'm quiet the dirty mouth, girl. The girl not live no life. The girl not live nowhere. Remember, so we are hot girl, we are pretty girl, we not pay rent, so we not lease land, and we not rent house. Remember, so the landlord now come knock on the door, bap.
Going up on your father?
Guys, I'm from PNP in the home, I build my house, and from Liberty coming up home, I can't leave next block for my house because sufferation. Tap up his screen, guys. Let me unmute her. Tap up his screen. Thank you, Sarah.
My side of all in.
A real time, I can't buy any. Guys, when we just started my house, you know much a $4,000 for 100 block, now what 12,000. I can't, when me get money from to buy a block from. Guys, you know, I'm going to go upstairs, go in our room, and I can't build it because of sufferation.
You see it and granny no see now.
Guys, PNP make a way for my grandmother and my grandfather, so my grandmother and my grandfather could have land. Tell me what's wrong with that. Guys, tell me what's wrong with that. PNP make a way so my grandmother and my grandfather could have land and left land for me. So wrong with that.
You see much.
You show for yourself, guys. Guys, send to them before I to pick y'all. Not a thing no wrong with you.
The man go in place. Then he can take people out of the church.
Show me a title.
You ask me to tell you?
Show me a title.
Yes. I want to come shot me, girl.
Come out to your mother's house, no, girl. What for your mother and a fear? What for your parents and a fear?
Why?
God bless the child who has his own. God bless the child who has his own number. So what for your mother and a fear?
Come on, thank you.
Time coming, girl. I said, girl, I'm ready.
See that? What for your granny and fear, though?
I said, I'm ready.
Yeah, sniper, bust up my face now.
I'm ready for sure. I swear I'm ready. I'm ready. Time come, I'm ready. Andrew have to call the election. Andrew not have no chance. Andrew not have no choice. I'm not reading negative comments. Andrew not have a choice. I have moderator for that. I tell my moderator who finna black and who for black. Yes, straight PNP. Tell me a straight PNP. Tell me now switch. Tell me Andrew holding this now, do not now pay separation. Tell me Andrew holding this, tell me say me can't see me window, I do when he win. I believe him. Tell me believe him. I bring me to grill my window, guys, come here to see with me, yeah, open. Grill me to grill my window, come here to see with me, yeah, open. A PNP give me steel for grill my window. PNP give me steel for grill my window because me have to sleep with me, yeah, open at the time. I just have to sleep with me, what a wicked man. And to God, I say, hey, so when God ready for you, Andrew holding this, so when God ready, you grill a room too, yeah, me have to grill for you, so when God ready for you, Andrew holding this, I'm labor like you know, my son, I have a whole heap of confession and sin to confess to God. I left to God, me and God, so I don't judge me, I left to God. One of my kitchen, one them griller, and I have one more kitchen, one kitchen for griller.
What is your girl?
I just one kitchen, I just one window I have left. 2 windows I have left. I have to hurry up and grill for you.
Send him much.
Guys, a 500 silent game. I shut up this thing up earlier. As me a plan for better one case of Heineken, you know. Guys, me a plan for buy one case of beer for your bar because my sister not now going on for a separation, but me I give her the last chance to switch over now before too late. Yeah, so she's stubbornness. Hey, let me ask you, people. You have to treat people differently. Let me ask you something. Whenever I said those people are always stubborn, I want to answer me. Don't people always stubborn the truth because they don't, so they're not offensive, they're stubborn. And they ever illiterate and dark. People them are don't say dark. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, Tommy. The people them are done, when on education, they always done, they always illiterate. You see people them are done, so you can't say something good to them and then cuss your face. So you can't understand, no? They say Chin now, I'm telling you Chin, because I know Chin and me and Chin are friends. Chin more, only can't shut up Chin. Somebody can't send me say now, shut up Chin.
Badness. Young badness.
No, sir.
Yang.
You know, it's hard when me I try to lick sense in somebody me I say to you, say, do the right thing as a friend, and you still.
Yang.
Chindo have a Pepsi on the shelf in there.
Pepsi, yeah.
Don't come in the camera. But you have a fridge you put them in, Remember say you tell me say the fridge wants a motor from devil was a boy, you buy it?
See you in that fridge there.
You buy the motor put in the fridge?
Wait, me have one brand new deep freezer, I see it.
2 rows, guys.
I want to do one piece comfy at midnight. Friday gone, me
One more rose, guys. Thank you, Tommy.
We're going to double midnight. Wait, baby.
Midnight, you know, unless it's a midnight, go recharge and come back. Guys, 1 rose.
Baby, wait.
1 more rose, guys. Please. 1 more rose. More shut up the dirty girl here. That you ever right, girl. No life, no ambition, girl. More shut her up.
Wait for the chip for my friend. Wait.
Which school you go? Because you can't go to school. Nobody can go to school and done, sir. You left school from basic school. You don't go back to school for that,
We are my bride, straight and rich.
Hey, shut your mouth, pan Tommy money. Who you? You think I scam Tommy and get your money? I work, Tommy work hard for your money. Tommy no thief people money. Tommy no scam like a prime minister. But you see more money there. You never have no money. Me hear your prime minister, you say you see you never have no money. So me hear now one little person pinch me for out of parliament and tell me say you Andrew Holness say you see you never had no money. I lie you see you not tell her. You want a wicked and a man than that. What the man money there 28 account, prime minister have 28 account. And you see your money gone. You see your money gone. What you see money there? Look how girl, I don't talk here talk pan Tommy money. I don't talk here talk pan Tommy money. Oh, you're frightened me. Me want to know what you see and bold money there. Me want Andrew tell him what you me say, Father God, if I lie, forgive me. But if I'm an Andrew thief, you see and bold money. Me change me whole name, me change. Sashel thanks. If I'm an Andrew thief, you see and more money. Me change my whole name. I never tell a lie. But I want to read Psalms 35 and Psalms 91 and Psalms 109 and Psalms 8 for Andrew Holness because prisoner miss him. When I go hear about it at Jamaica, people are fine. I go hear about it because prisoner miss this and dirty prime minister where you have. You know say me call him dirty because no one style him. Dirty prime minister. Racist. Hey, you know hear what I say about Mark Golding a racist. Yes, you say man a racist, and because never say Martin Luther King saying the black and the white shall unite, and through my upcoming prime minister Brown now they say in Brown. So what about Siaga? Siaga no white? Edward Siaga no white? Yes, user.
Well, and thank you, me tell you that girl, man. Shit mouth, don't talk. Andrew Black? You ever see when Andrew go places where people run him down? Don't open your mouth, man. You know your mouth think so. You're rubbish, thank you.
Shit in a page.
Don't open your mouth. I'm tired of you, man. Send.
I make girl shut up and Tommy money. You think you sell Tommy cell phone for your money, I work Tommy work for your money. Good, clean, nice looking Tommy. Girl, go for you, see your prime minister.
Thank you very much. You see that 5 minutes of silence there? If you ever know what that do for me, make a big up the people.
5 minutes or 5 seconds, huh?
5 minutes.
See you done, sir?
Jan, bumper.
And you get one hammer and one gloves, sachet. I get one boosting gloves, major, carrying me own uppers, everybody thanks you support. Me say the girl now learn people girl now learn for you guys. Guys, somebody come in here. But somebody tell me come in here and tell me chat and tell me say girl fall off. And the girl used to ambitious in and the girl started run up on them behind politicians, then the girl fall off.
You that?
Oh, if you run behind a politician and they can't do not fear that, right?
Girl, dig up your granny, are you that?
That big coming nice clean grandmother. Oh, if you run behind a politician,
Young man,
granny suffer. They said them can't consider, so they can't get 100,000, stretching the whole 100,000. Yeah. You sitting there, thanks Fabian, thanks One Piece said, you sitting there, stack up the shop, start life, buy 54 and stuff, you know. Because you see labor right there, they want them people to always suffer and depend on them. Huh? You see you China? They come like a girl when man them beat them and say, they say, oh, man left because I love the boy and you that chin and all for JLP because your grandmother used to vote for them because you think say you're die-hearted. Die-hearted can't make you ambitious. Die-hearted can't build you. Oh, if you run behind your council, your MP and then can't help you. Come on, Chin, man. Me a lick sense now. You may have a friend na Chin. Come on, Chin. Guys, I find out silent game and she already silent because she not have a choice. So.
I'm confused, boy.
One rose, guys, one rose. She confused like her prime minister. Capricorn girl, you alright, you know. One put a green heart in my chat, me not in trouble you. Guys, one rose. Call Capricorn over there for me, please. Make sure you go on top of your screen because you need the tap, so. Guys, one rose. Anybody send me one rose?
Don't go back over there.
Guys, one rose, catch speed. One rose. I know me not catch speed, you know.
Thank you,
One rose.
But I can't get one rose to pussy clouds.
No, we not need that. We not need speed for beat, yo. Clip on the drugs, guys, and shoot, yo.
Whoa!
Clip on the drugs. Guys, touch it gloves and shoes.
Whoa, push your 500, please.
I will say.
Oh, we get in there, oh. Father God begs
one PNP, one Westmoreland badness.
All right. Thank you, Carmel. You say for no Carmel, me nah no yes. For no Carmel, me nah no yes. What? Carmel, thank you. You say girl fool in chat so sick over. Don't. Yeah. With the number 5, one got 3 card third term this. And number 3 we want to go. Me can't ask her till the next game. Me ask her how much the bush enough with her. Can't be sent. Make it count down. Count down my side. Emote, man. You need to do better, girl. It's a young, nice girl. You need to do better. Yeah? Capricorn, go back over there. Corruption will take you. If you get bad mind over there, don't go back here. PNP want to kill with the full army. And you see Andrew get them one container chicken. Whoa! One container chicken.
Yeah, what is it?
Hey, no, you can't talk, my friend, you can't talk. No, man. You get a head tough, you know? Head tough, little girl. Number 5 with them inside, number 5. Carmel. Go ahead, me tell her, Carmel. Thank you. Oh God, man. Chongli, big up. PNP broke. Lacey. OW Farm, Annette, Capricorn. Real Bango, Chongli again. Mine over matter, Bumper. Pretty baby, God. Oh, watch out. We need 9.9.
Janelle, One Piece, Major Chris, thanks for the logo. Guys, the one little score she get you go and tell somebody.
10K, hey, don't talk.
We are telling you talking, as you say much talk about.
You are number 4, my side. Eva, thank you. My side, 10K, put your number 4.
Guys, stop up the screen, huh?
I got sense money. I want to pick up Rosie anyway. Rosie there in the dance. One Rosie
money done. Guys, wanna put one hand art or something on the first. A 500 silent game. Tap the screen, guys, please. Tap's very important. Thank you for the follow. Tap the screen, guys. Tap. Guys, shall switch over, you know. What time for our half year?
Thank you, Carmel.
Me have a talk to our half year.
Tattoo. We are tattoo.
Guys, me there number 13. 3.7K for number 12.
Much of the corruption?
13, 3.7 for each 12.
Yeah, police. Yeah, you come like a police them. Yeah, I'm farmer. Come my side. Push up the score.
Guys, 500 silent. Yeah, make us silent the non-brush teeth, girl, you know?
My side, we so rich 500. No friends.
Shit in a plate, shit in a plate, girl. You make girl,
All on the ranking.
When girl I used to man beat me, you know.
Oh, the man. My side, wait, I could catch a speed there, y'all. I get a man.
Guys, one rose and then we boom down the double and make it quiet. One rose, guys,
Can't really be a beg nothing in life. Me a beg you for nothing.
Guys, one rose. Just give me one. Nobody know how one rose out of 60 people.
No.
Power. Guys, one rose.
Yeah, but that's a Power Ranger.
Thank you, boss lady.
Catch you.
Thank you, Seabreeze. Guy, boom down this 500 quiet game. All right, lads, go on over chin, go tap up chin live.
Thank you. Hey, don't talk.
Double.
Hey. What me I do without you, man? Listen, man. Hear them. Mitchie, thank you for your taps. Bumper badness. Lance. No, man. Real bongo. That girl. Be here, no girl. If you have ambition, you know, you have to think about your son future, you know, girl. Think about your youth. You can't think about time come. Wait till more later. Time come, you never want you beaten. Yeah,
come over here so come send me sitting there. Michael, come over here so come send me sitting there. One PNP.
Yeah, I'll go live tonight. Type in the comments, but me know first. Cause you want boss. Michael, you beat me one night till me and tremble. Let me sleep. Every look at you, me see.
I saw a beat and see.
Hey, don't talk for me money. Don't talk. Shut up. Michael, are you me a deal with? The PNP friend. I go live now. All right. Me I go put you on our side. Me I deal with two PNP my side. We're not afraid of them. Go on live. Me I go add you after that one. Go on. Cause you're gonna need Jesus over there. Go on live. My side, the councillor boy I come.
Times 35, mute land, so.
The councillor boy I come my side. Ima come, no say show in the comments. Madam, over there say PNP them there, you know.
Alright, Michael, one Michael on the apple.
Michael, on the pan no up. Michael, go on live. Go on live.
One bad councillor, I want him. Michael, a 500 quiet game.
Hey, girl, me pass you, don't talk for my money. Michael, go on live, the man, make we add you.
Go on live, Michael, go live now, make me add you.
Show her, Mitchie. Big up my nice people, them. We being Bumper, Carmel, Lacey, Diva.
Right, Sniper. Thank you. Think not, girl. You see me MP snipe your dirty nana life, girl.
He might come, which by your MP snipe. Make your MP no beard.
Michael, let me know if you come out to play one more match. Text me and make me know if you come now.
Relax. My phone mash up. When I use, I don't have a number here. What him say?
He no reply.
Well, look at Marga man say. When I look if we see. Look at Migos.
Oh no, in there one funeral.
Watch out.
Remember say PNP no work this like JLP, no?
I want to know what me do.
Tap up the screen, guys. PNP no work this like JLP, no?
My data phone me take away. See it
Yeah, Mr. Saying there one funeral.
Right off.
Pop the screen, guys.
Rabbit.
Remember say PNP support you one another, you know?
He did a malfunction from the
Remember say only no go funeral and events, you know? Only no support the people, you know? Only sit down in a big hotel and chat around table, you know? Guys, 500 and shut up the idiot girl, yeah?
Oh, shut up. Yes, Miss Side. Yes, Miss Side. Hey, don't talk, don't talk. Small axe, big up. Eyes of big up. Caramel, big up. Yes. Yes. Bro, actually look at broke man in the front there. Watch him. We're taking people their money and buy a game chair and top star roses. Ask him, what are you, come on? Because anytime they did, me did a PP, club, chongy. PP, club, back at you. We all want to cute. Small axe big up, you know, love for life. Love for life. Chongy, big up. Carmel. Come on. You want 2 rows, my son.
Guys, 2 rows, anybody?
Throws the man over there, you know, 2 rows. 2 rows, one more, somebody.
Disrespect me MP and the council, 2 rows, guys.
One more.
One more.
You can't get 2 rows in one more.
You get disrespectful.
Catch it. Boy. One more. Somebody, 1 rose. I get 1 rose. I don't catch you. Thank you, Smarks. God bless you.
Goodbye.
Double.
There's my
Thank you.
All right. Fronzy girl, not beard girl. You have roll all there, disrespect the MP and the councillor. Hey girl, where if I me like you, me switch so you can get look help to stack your shop. I'm sure no, so Michael will help you, but no, you are stuck in a separation. Nah beard, nah life, dirty mouth, salty mouth, toothpaste, no toothpaste mouth, girl. If I me like you, me switch to PNP right now. So Michael can help you buy a couple of keys for start the shop because your MP and your council and I'll start the shop for you.
Hey. Ease up, Carmen. Level up. That'd be nice. The MP want worm out. The MP want worm out. The MP want back last Zentel.
Hey, shut up on my MP money. Shut up on my MP money. Nana life, girl. Me say if I did PNP, me sure know some Michael. Years me know Michael truth from me at 18 and me at 30 now. And me sure know say if I did Michael here run behind, even if Michael for use the money out of their own pocket, Michael would have help you stack up the shop then. But you know what? Me realize that when JLP help one woman, when the JLP man them help one woman do sit there or start a business, they want front from them. I pay a dirty man over JLP side. I pay a non-life batting man over JLP side. A JLP woman can't beg a JLP man help without him asking her for fun. Me idiot man, I shoot me at her. That's why me no want a JLP man. Girl, where you go look at life? Show me a lecturing toilet. Do we piece of tide? Look at now. You know, say, me could make a video with you asking for help and you try to send it to your Prime Minister. And he will take show offness and help you on camera. Because that's all they do, they help on camera. So if you as a big labor right now make a video and say, oh, Andrew Holness, me I beg you want some help to stock up my shop and make one tile because from my grandmother dead 1989 I see him toilet me have a use. Then Andrew will put back on camera TVJ for you and Andrew will help you because he wants to be seen. What about the PNP, them want to help people and then I have it on camera? What about the PNP, them want to help people and then I have it on camera? But no, as a prime minister, help somebody with one donkey, you have to put it on camera. You better don't want donkey, you have to put it on camera. You're going to look alive. Big up one MP, big up me one big MP. Time come now. Michael Chubby Psalms 35 Major Rosemary. I want to some girl. I want to put some liberal people. Mr. Michael, what do you see the girl at hands, you know? And I talk about front him, and you know what kind of cologne my MP wear, girl? Girl, the cologne of my MP wear could have stack a shop. Girl, who you man, you can this big man? You can see big decent people and a big this big decent people. Cologne. What you say?
Yeah, I see them here, them big MP was $100 buy a cigarette and you know to them.
Go to your prime minister. Go to your prime minister. Invictus and Gucci, where you take this thing for. Go to your prime minister, where you run behind my MP for help for you. Vote for MP girl, go on. Me see Labour right, them a fix one part of the other side and see a PNP. They what kind of people them? They are not for the people. How you feel fix one road? I fix half a road, I left the other half, I say now fix the other half because the PNP living at that department. We're not idiot. I don't have a sense for no say part wanna fix.
Chocolate,
the part wanna fix, I gonna mash up the part to fix. Stupid, almost politics time. Election I call, so you see the JLP them with one little truck with some little gravel and throw up on the ground, but and I tell people say use one shovel and throw it on the ground. They not fix the road, you know. They not fix the road, you know what they do? Show almost politics time. I see them walk up and down there, front green clothes. Hey, tell Andrew to come to Westmoreland because we don't need him at Westmoreland. Tell Andrew say the Westmoreland no need him. 10 rows, guys. 10 rows or 1 rosa.
Thank you.
10 rows or 1 rosa.
I said, no go bust in face, no place.
10 bust full face, guys. Shut up. We don't have money over there. We don't have money over there, guys. 10 rows or 1 rosa. She catch the speed already. I don't want her for done me, you know. Because she have word to tell me, you know. All right. Then for the Michael True.
Thank you very much. Triple my side.
Mr. Michael, a piece of jail, like Andrew Holness. Michael, not even biggest liar.
Yeah.
Hey! Nobody say no. Shut your ass with a little bit of money over there, so. Shut your ass. Mr. Not even biggest liar in our world. I can't help Andrew because he have a piece of prison time for no. And you have a piece of prison time with the adultery, unfaithful, sour self. Julian, I see. What's your name? I don't even know where your wife name. I don't even want to know where your wife name. In piece of unfaithful and stuff. Fuck off if the woman them in a parliament house. Girl, go with a little bit of score. You can see the big MP over yourself. So you want to hype up yourself. Girl, go in a man time. Come Andrew have to call the election. Me I give Andrew September. Tell Andrew say I Oshin Kadisha Bega give him September for call the election. And tell the dog shit finna call it a problem kind of. And I try to name Fred. Tell Andrew say we don't want him at Westmoreland. Tell Andrew say he's not welcome at Westmoreland. Tell Andrew say we don't want him at Westmoreland at one PNP parish. One PNP parish. Remember saying but PNP we not take stool and beat woman, you know. We said no violence against woman. Are we say no guys stop the screen? Are we say no violence against woman? Remember say we not beat the man, you see, because the labor right girl and they used the man for a batter bruise them and I beat them, they agree with it. Because them kind of people say, oh, if the man not beat me, then they love me. They're not left. When I see square, sit your ass down. Guys, look behind our business place. She in there, you know, empty. A few Pepsi and some water, some soda up on the shelf. She gone down. She drop off. She drop off a foot, guys. And then I want him a man to go be either. Then I want Andrew a man to go be. Then I want Andrew a man to go be. And we don't want Andrew a Westmalana. So guess what? What am I gonna do here, man? Nobody don't want Andrew. All the labor right them a switch. I all wanna see you're gonna get the opportunity to switch now before you too late. Because I don't want hungry catch you more than how you catch you already, you know. Girl, me willing to buy a case of beer and buy you out. One case of beer and one water, you have to switch, you have to come over. Girl, they prefer suffer me. Girl, she need a house. Her mother house, she live in a, as a she and her mother catch up, her mother put her out. Girl, get a house for yourself.
Wrong smarty girl. Wrong smarty.
Michael tuning for Rosie, Rose, Nini, one Riba, sent to Jeremy. Everybody thanks to the tops. So she can't show her sofa, she not a sofa.
What you put on here a while ago in my very up. Don't worry yourself. We'll tap this kid.
Alright, later.
Yeah, bro, boy gone. Choop, what time you come on?
What time you come on later?
Whoa, bro, man gone. He can't spell up.
Can't match her up later. Remember, say Troop on the eyeglass, you know. Remember, say Troop, I think I look about the country and in parish and in people, them, you know. Remember, 7 a.m. he said. Remember, say Troop, no sit down and eyeglass, you know. Remember, say Troop is for the people, you know, right now, Troop, their funeral, because Troop are supporting people, them. Troop, not just sit down in a parliament and in a big hotel and chat.
You guys.
Troop on the eyeglass,
Tap the screen. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen.
yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, you're ready, belly and tired. Whoa, you what time?
The people them I put my square for me down here, so me have to down here and I want 1.4K for each number 11, guys.
Yeah, Lord, me that number 12, me them push up you. You come in at top 10.
A long time I did number 5 and can't move.
Time come, what time you come on?
You said 7 a.m.
7, alright. Me I put on my pot and wait for you. My side, 10 rows. 10 rows. Yeah, well. Two have to buy my friendship.
Yeah, she want come power outside, but she's afraid with our people them are say. Guys, we are number 12 in our rank, you know. Me need 1.4 coins for gun number 1.4 for gun number 11 in our rank. Yes, 500 silent. Yeah, make us shut up the girl now. Guys, shoot for the double.
Shotgun.
Shoot for the double, guys. One money gun for the double.
Double.
Thank you, Chuni. Thank you, Leonard. Anything for the double, 500 quiet game, I shut her up. Thank you, Percy. 500 quiet game, I shut her up, guys. Anything for the double. Nobody not have no gloves. We are stuck our shop. Remember, say we're not bad men and corrupt like them, you know. We are going to 50 grand for buy, so I should get you a for our MP.
Back. Oh, yeah, you need
to boss lady. Morning, brave money.
Oh, yeah, you need money back.
Guys, remember, we not be like them, you know. And then fix half a road and if the next half.
Wash it, thank you.
Yeah, but bring her with her. We say she's a confused soul. Guys, one money gonna. Chuni thanks to the perfume. Guys, one hand her. Guys, me want to shut her up. Although she don't have much for sick because she's hungry. Guys, me want 1.4 for each and number 11. Nobody can help me. A 500 silent, give more 1.4. When you get any money can perfume, more silent. Money come perfume. Donuts.
Where that is Samantha around?
She not even have no score. 37 I short. You just come off a cash pad. A 36 cash pad stop. Very happy nice. Anything chat. Truly thanks. Percy Brave, I can't send more honor. In a shop empty bad Maxwell is sad for her.
Maxwell.
She have the audacity to get up and put on orange every day and she not live nowhere.
Did you ever see in orange? Yourself, yeah.
And that me want her to put on. First send more honor on the way me want you put it on me I'll say I have you on. Put it on man. You want me to give one of them yeah? Thank you to all my gifters. Thank you for the toppers. I'm a PNP people them big up on themselves. I see the labor them come put up the heart in the but me not trouble them. Me not trouble them. So we not bad man like them. I don't cause I love poor like them, you know.
Yeah, you made it.
Alright, Ben, go over there. So Ben, she there 40. If you go over there on top, she there 43. Go over there over top. Shame Ben, shame. Toppers big up on yourself.
Shame.
No, you. Yeah, people them shame like dog. Broke and hungry.
You got my people them here.
They got all of my people them Truly, Lenford, Percy, Major, Rosie, Rose, Craig, baby lady, everybody Maxwell, everybody taps the top. Guys, you cannot. She put up 11 toes on my head, you know. Yeah, Maxwell, Anthony, for help her. She put up, look at now, she put up 11,000 pounds. My head, you know, we don't want to, you know, and I hit alone our people, them, and I had more for saying that. Friend, put your papier with me, winner. The MP just gonna shoot off our head. The MP just empty the clip. I top salon, my gear, can I feel sorry for you?
Yeah, I'll switch my switch.
Switch what?
No.
I'm mother belly, my car trooper, PNP, top boss in there. Girl, me there 12 pound ranking, 1.3 for the 50 level. The MP just come off your head. One man to go be a badness, one Westmoreland badness. There's a 500. Shut up, game. Shut up for me. We are stuck up the shop for your chef to come over. Girl, we are getting opportunity to come over and make money. But I still a separation.
They do lose.
She need a house, one PNP for the man. One Westmoreland, man to be a man. And just we don't want him to get him said. Westmoreland people don't need Andrew here. 500 to come in that advice. I'm telling him to turn back.
500 Omar. GPC, thank you. Thank you for the taps, Kevin. Thank you for the rolls.
Guys, 1.3 for each a number 11. One rose the want. One rose the want for shut up the pain and the number right here. One rose girl you need for switch out. We'll accept you. Chin me up. Chin me, I go accept you. Double guys, 500 silent. We'll shut up together.
Thank you, GPC. Oh, Italy.
You have a help stack up our bar.
Talia, thank you.
Guys, 500 silent. Yeah, man.
Thank you, Talia.
I'm tired of share talk right now. One PNP come here. I'm tired of share talk. I just want to silence her.
You worse or worse.
Nobody over there, no, guys, huh?
Don't worry about over here. Talia. Alright, thank you. I still appreciate it. Big up. Big up here. One shower side. Tonight, me have match 7 o'clock. I beat up on PNP, man. Here, Talia, you're pretty like. Yes, I give you a follow. 7 o'clock tonight. Send it at me, my friend.
Guys, me and Michael Troop against cheat tonight, huh? Me don't know, me and Michael Troop against cheat tonight, huh?
Murder!
Sever to my arm tonight to meet Michael Troop, huh?
Guidance, I'm going to
take it. I don't know if she ever have no back team, but I know say me and Michael Troop. I don't know if she ever have no back team. I don't have back team, because I don't want to kill her just so, you understand? I want a competition, guys. Yeah, so me 7 o'clock. Me actually never come tonight 7 o'clock because she and Michael Troop have a match 7 o'clock.
Big up. Angie.
Guys, I said only can send me one hand art or something because I'm tired of the girl in my ears. Because she not talk nothing with sense.
Shower in the comment section. That is it. GPC, big up. Don't stress yourself. She not bad like we no time. They can't talk to far with third term. Thank you for the art there. Everybody who wanna send an art me. I know you can send an art me. And be a member. I said you want 3K. No, not 3K for a whole packet. On my side. Third term is a must. They can't top it. You say country a build up. You see road them.
Where? Where?
Girl, I'm gonna tell you something. Talia, she can't do better, you know, she live in her granny house. And her granny die artist, so she have to sell.
Yes, you used to.
You could take his streets them, no make him baby. One big up.
Guys, stop the screen. We just in our dream, Oh, I shot the stock up. I don't know what separation I take her.
She never got
I tell him say I'm gonna get her money.
UFO.
Michael say I'm gonna get her money for start.
Michael can't promise me
Snipe,
money.
man, snipe. When they can't make sure take me 3 nuggets with no score. Snipe, guys, snipe.
We will eat. Good try, Talia. Talia, no worry yourself, man. This
Tell her to recharge and come back. Tell her a big league this. Tell her that you can't help.
I know, big up. Don't get enough, yeah? I will bust your lip. Don't start to stop there.
Tap up the screen, guys. Tap.
Don't call her name.
Guys, we don't know if they can give me 100 for the 3 times. The first week.
Don't call Talia name, yeah?
That's a 500 silent game, man.
Come in my side. Deal with him.
500
Triple.
silent game. Any hand heart? First week at triple.
Not my size. K Nelson, big up. Sean, miss you.
Guys, and I can't send 100. So, when people them there?
Big up. Top scan wall to top.
Yeah, I run my people them with our ugly self.
God, man. Oh, I think I have birds around them, you know. Wow, UFO, man. That is it. People are here, you know, girl. I right now, if you ever show on my hand, I can plant peas under it.
Thank you very much. 500 silent game, guys. If everybody can send me one donut or so, you can check out. Guys, you get a suffer, you know.
Must have love a woman, I see God.
Oh, girl, a suffer too.
You come like a second mother to me. You see what you do for me in life, nobody never do it yet. They say, why do you come tomorrow, whole life back shelf is so full of, you can't say nothing back at me. Deal with him my side.
So your Prime Minister could do that, or your MP, or your councillor?
Girl, me I live for Prime Minister.
Your MP could do that, Yeah, sketch your speed,
My side, don't
One perfume, guys, one perfume.
20 rows.
One perfume, guys,
Side, not so understand.
People they mash up, can't speed,
Man, we there. So you know with the city. And I'm not bad to say. Show me, big up enough. People say no art me. Art me.
Poor people.
Mo! My side, let me take back in notes then from him now.
Guys, nobody in here can send more
Thank you, UFO. Yeah, man, send on at me and come. Supreme.
You can send one. Yeah, chicken on your mouth shelf behind her.
I want myself the my one. I think I'm a granny house. I think I'm a granny from morning in church and came get a cup of water. The granny hate him. The granny despite him.
Guys, and I can't shut her up for me. Want money gonna?
I said, watch them, you know, them last night. I love when you see UFO, big up. Wayne from Bermuda, I know you come down and do the right thing.
Wayne, come over here, so I make a girl trick you.
Must say I eat that. Must say I don't do the right thing, you know, girl.
So guys, I can't get one money gonna. Listen, more heart me and join me to you, man.
Aunt me.
Everybody may have a match several tonight. Me and Michael Troop versus the girl over there. So I don't know who now. Me and Michael Troop have a boom down the girl over there, so. Several o'clock, me and Michael Troop have a boom down the girl over here. So follow me up, guys. Follow me up so you can find me easy when I go up on live tonight. Cause we just make pay a couple more match cards. We go look boss on sitting there and then several o'clock you can come back. I play and I say, guys, snipe!
Boy!
Oh God.
Thank you.
Snipe!
Girl, that'd be nice. One UFO. Just be nice.
Girl, if you watch it's sitting by your head for a long time, you have it on.
A 6 of yard. Right now, this is your water. Yeah, man. Your water down, little girl.
Yeah.
My side, when you tap the screen, she water down. Weeble down. Politics! Oh, my friend. Oh.
Guys, it's 500 silent. You're not even top shit on. Get your water down.
Don't worry about that.
Guys, 500 silent game. Any money gun, any hand hearts, any finger hearts, any donuts, anything in the chat, guys. Guys, me play 3 more games and go look about me, and come back. 7 o'clock we have a match. Me and Michael Troop versus Fair Side.
Walk this, man. So walk this.
Guys, come on, guys. Come. A 500 silent game. Me playing 3 more match. 3 more match me I play, huh? 3 more match me I play, and then 7 o'clock later on a roll back, come back. We have a match, we have a big match versus she, me, Michael Troop versus she tonight, 7 o'clock. So I play 3 more match and go look about my business and sooner later. But guys, me asking for the opportunity for the 3 match out. What if I want to silent the girl, I want to boom her down, I want to tell her what Prime Minister now go on with her. The wicked man named Andrew Holness, so.
Because of that.
Wow, yeah.
One rose, my team.
1 rose, guys. 1 rose, guys. 1 rose.
1 rose.
Guys, not even our science can help her later when we done with her. Guys, our hands up later, and guys, our hand them gone boner. No wonder. Thank you guys for the roses. Thank you. Guys, a 500 silent game. I don't know if you can shut her up on the double, please. Although she shut up still because she's hungry. When you're hungry, there's a hell of a thing, you don't want to chat, you know.
Thank you, bless.
Gas in our belly. In our belly. Guys, any money gun, any hand hearts, any finger hearts, any donut rose, anything, Anything for the guys,
Yeah.
Anything for the double, guys, please.
Shot him in that crowd.
There's none for the double. Not even one finger heart or one nothing.
Save it for later. We soon come off a 3 o'clock play.
After the game, there's 2 more games we are playing, so I don't have to stress because we have a match 7 o'clock tonight. So.